Hi guys, in this video I'll let you all know what is the Monopoly Go's max level. The max level in Monopoly Go does not refer to a single fixed level but rather the number of boards or location you can progress through. Now there is no limit with the game initially starting with 150 boards and growing to over 700 plus with updates. Some players have even suggested that the boards might be infinite and continue to generate as you progress. Likewise, the game focuses on completing these boards, not a single level system. As you complete boards, the more locations and challenges becomes available. The focus is on progressing through the various boards and completing them rather than reaching a specific numerical level. So you could also go and explore their official page and let them know, or you could go and explore what is the Monopoly Go's max level or all that. You should be able to find, and in simple way you could say there is no such max level in Monopoly Go. There are infinite board game level in max or Monopoly Go. However, the city or fictional location represents a different level, starts repeating itself, and player reports reaching over 700 boards since the app releases and have a net worth of over 10,000. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.